What's up everybody, Mice Caribbean here. In my studio I decided to buy the DJI Pocket 3 because I do a lot of videos for my podcast and reels. After reviewing this product and getting recommendation from other people, I said, you know what, let me try it. So I'm just gonna unbox it and see how this works. I heard so many good, stories about this camera, and I'm a big believer. Anything you do, you gotta invest in it. For me, this is good for my business. I believe in putting good content out there, and to have a good content, you definitely have to have a good product quality. Everything on my studio that I, invested, it's a high-end product, and I'm sure this product is going to be awesome. So if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please do so at Mice Caribbean in YouTube and everywhere. My goal is to bring value, education, and information to people when it comes to finances. So let's see. This is pretty cool actually. You can tell just from unboxing the product has great quality. So while I'm unboxing, I'll give you some tips for those people who want to build their social media. Many years ago, I was a guy who was a little bit shy. If you go back on my YouTube, the old videos that I did, I used basic phone camera, no microphone. But I knew one thing, anything I did, I always had a mindset of, you know what, it's just a matter of time. If I'm consistent, I'll get better at it. That's one. And second, I always work on myself. I learn more about the products, like cameras. I learn more about editing softwares. I learn how to, do proper way of doing videos. So slowly but surely, I start improving myself. And that's what I recommend to a lot of you. If you want to be successful, you gotta know one thing. It takes time. It's not gonna happen overnight. But if you stick to it and you're consistent, you will definitely reach to a point where you see whatever you do, you became good at it. So those of you who wants to be in a business world, always remember that, because everything takes time, guys. Everything. There's nothing out there that's gonna happen overnight. This is pretty cool. I think this is for putting on a stand, and this one is an extended battery. By the way, I bought it from Costco. They had a really good deal, and for members, I think they put out there more stuff, part of the package, which is exciting. I like it. Oops. Let's see, this is the last, this is the leg. I like this because, I carry my backpack everywhere, and small stuff like this, it's easier to take it with you everywhere. Cool, I like this. Look at this. This is the standing legs. Man, this is awesome. So let's see how you take this. I guess like that. That makes sense. Man, this is cool. I like it. Look at this cool and tiny screen. So this is the extended battery. I guess it's gonna go like that. And what I like about this, you just go like that and it gets turned on. Man, this is awesome. Look at this. That's cool, man. Look at it, move the camera. I love it. Later on, I'll give you feedback once I start using it. but so far I like it. It's cool. Thanks everybody for watching. Invest money and time into your social media platform if you want to take it to next level. This is the short video. For those who are following me and for those who's going to watch first time, definitely invest money and time when it comes to building your channel. Okay? Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.